What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. And I say, as we speak, we got a GBP USD on chart. And I say, so let's take a look what's going on from GBP USD. So we're trying to find some entry from GBP USD. So don't miss this. Make sure you watch the full video. Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, guys, we have GBP USD. So definitely, guys, not every pair which you can use trend line strategy, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to trade different types of the market using trend line strategy. And if it doesn't need trend line strategy, then you can just use zone strategy. So in this case right here, we have GBP USD on the chart. As you can see, at the first price, it's been at this point here, and then came to this point here, and it came to this point here, and went 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 to this point right here, and then came straight down at this point here. And right now currently it's at this point. It's at this point here. All right, so what do we expect next? All right, so I'm here to answer a question. So what kind of strategy can we use in this case to be able to find the opportunity from this trade right here? All right, so as you can see here, we can be able to use the trend line strategy. As you can see, the trend line strategy, no, it's not gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Obvious, no trend line strategy needed in this point. All we need is just zone strategy. And if we look at this here, we can see that we got zone somewhere here. You know what I'm saying? We have a zone here. You know what I'm saying? So in this case, we're going to use only zone strategy, and the zone strategy is the only one which is going to give us the entry point from this currency right here. Remember, guys, everything I do here, I do this just to support you guys. You know what I'm saying? For this who doesn't know how to find the opportunity from the market. But anyways, make sure you do the like things. You know what I'm saying? You know what to do. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like and subscribe. So as you can see here, this is the zone strategy which we have right here. So we're gonna have another one here, because you can see after the market broke this zone strategy here, after the market broke this zone right here, it went at this point right here, which we got another zone right here. Forex, we got another zone right here, because you can see after the market gave us the breakout at this point, after breakout at this point, the market came through at this point, and after that it came back at this point. So what do we expect next? So right now I'm just gonna switch. As you can see, I was on daily time frame. You know what I'm saying? Always, guys, make sure you stay on a higher time frame just to have a good view. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of noise on the lower time frames. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you stay on the higher time frames so that you can be able to have a good view. So right now, as you can see, we already have a market structure. And I say we can see that we had this zone right here. You know, I say this zone right here, and then after this zone right here, the market broke the zone, and the market is already give us some pullback. As you can see, breakout, and we got a pullback at the zone. You know what I say? So now what we're expecting right now, this is what we're expecting. But before you get this entry, you have to, to make sure you enter the raw time frame, just to have look way to enter, because you need some confirmations candlesticks which they're going to allow you to enter the market. So in this case, I'm gonna switch 4 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, just to just to confirm my entry. 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Let me check what we see on 4 hours time frame. So guys, as you can see here on 4 hours time frame, we have confirmation already. If I'm saying, you can see our zone. I'm saying, you can see the market is already gave us some, how many times to the zone. First time, second time, third time, and you can see we got a very beautiful confirmation right here, which we're expecting now the market to shoot. Sorry, something is happening here anyways. So now you can see we're expecting something like this to happen. I say we're expecting something like this to happen. But at this point, we can see that we got some small trend line right here. We can just put this trend line right here. If I'm say, we can just put this trend line right here. So we can see that on 4 hour time frame, the market went at this point, gave us this this continuation, and put back to the trend line, back to the zone, back to the trend line, say back to the zone, and now we got a confirmation candlestick right here, which, since we got this trend line right here, we're gonna be waiting for the market to break the trend line right here. And as soon as the market break the trend line, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something like this. Say we're gonna do something like this. This is what we're gonna do. All right, we're just gonna put our tip here, and our stop loss is gonna be just right here. Say, and stop loss, something like this. So let's also switch on 1 hour time frame, just to continue confirming our entry point. Say, so now guys, you can see that it's very clear. Say, you can see that now it's very clear. This is what we expecting right now from now. So let's switch on 1 hour time frame, then we'll be able to see what we expecting clear. So now you can see, guys, if you know, you can see the confirmation that we have right here. We have a very powerful confirmation that the market is going to sell, and we're going to hit some pips about 100 pips, as you can see here, 100 pips, and our stop loss is going to be 40 pips. All right, it's not bad, guys, it's not bad. Say 40 pips to make 100 pips, which is good. So now, as you can see, if you're watching this video right now, I say make sure take a look at this pair GBP/USD. We're about to sell 100 pips. So make sure you do the right things. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more tips like this. Say, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm here to teach you how to trade for free. Say for free, for sure. Just make sure you do the right things. Say, and you can also, if you can't find this kind of signals, you can just join our team. Say, and we can do this together in a VIP group. Say, so peace out, guys. This is what I got for you today. Say, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to do the right things, and keep on using proper risk management, because proper risk management is everything, guys, in a forex market. Peace out.